Hello everyone, and welcome to Weekly Report Issue 65. Today, I'd like to begin by sharing some exciting progress in our EAI education ecosystem. Then, I'll offer some reflections on our recent capital market performance, along with the solutions we are putting in place. Since sharpening our focus on the EAI robotics strategy, the company's operating fundamentals have grown stronger than at any point in its history, driven by the rapid growth of our robotics business. First, let me update you on the graduation ceremony and the key outcomes of the FFAI Robotics Summer Camp, as well as our next steps for the robotics education ecosystem.
Distinguished school district leaders, teachers, parents, and dear students, good afternoon. It's a great pleasure to join you today for the graduation ceremony of the FFAI Robotics Summer Camp. First of all, congratulations to every student on successfully completing the program. I would also like to extend my sincere thanks to the leaders, teachers, and the parents from the Linwood and El Segundo school districts, as well as every member of our summer camp team. Thanks to your collective efforts, our students have taken an important first step into the world of physical AI. As one of the first EAI Robotics Summer Camp program jointly organized by FF, public school districts, and educational institutions, this represents not only a successful educational effort, but also an important milestone in the scalable expansion of the FFAI education ecosystem. It has validated our education products, curriculum system, and the upgrading model, as well as the viability of the business model that serves both B2B educational institutions and B2C family education. Today, I'm very pleased to announce the official launch of the EAI-EDU Nationwide Replication at Scale strategy, starting with partners such as Koya Education and FFAI. We will accelerate our expansion across education and training institutions nationwide. At the same time, we will make after-school programs at public and private K-12 schools a key priority. We will bring the curriculum, hands-on projects, and operational experience developed through our summer camp to more schools, scaling the deployment of our integrated offering of curriculum plus EAI devices plus skills agents plus industry solutions. Through this strategy, we aim to give more children the opportunity to engage with, learn about, and build physical AI from an earlier age. This is not only an important strategy for FF, we also hope it will contribute to American education in three important ways. First, it addresses a fundamental question in the physical AI era. What should children be learning? The answer goes far beyond AI alone. It also includes mechanical engineering, electrical hardware, complete robotics engineering, hands-on engineering, and cross-disciplinary innovation skills. Second, it will help the AI native generation move beyond simple using AI, empowering them to master and build physical AI. Third, it will help transform EAI robotics education from an experience available to only a few into a new capability accessible to more schools and families. FF Robotics is the only US-based robotics company providing comprehensive solutions and a complete robot world for the EAI education industry. We also sincerely invite more schools, educational institutions, and partners to join us in building America's first EAI education ecosystem at scale. Next, I would like to share another important development. On the day of the World Cup final, FF became the official regional sponsor of the Argentina National Football Team in North America for robotics and related technologies. The excellence, teamwork, and never give up spirit embodied by the Argentina National Team, led by Lionel Messi, the GOAT, are deeply aligned with FF's relentless pursuit of breakthrough innovation. More importantly, this partnership will continue to strengthen FF's 4 core full-stack AI EAI education ecosystem. Using circle-based training scenarios, we will advance robust capabilities in environmental perception, motion control, and intelligent decision-making. Expand the use of robotics in circle education, develop more sports-focused skills, agents, and industry solutions, and in compliance with applicable regulation and privacy requirements. Use real-world training data to continuously improve robot capabilities. Going forward, we will announce more developments and results from our collaboration with the Argentina National Team, and we look forward to sharing more soon. Finally, I would like to say this: education shaped the future. AI is defining the future, and the physical AI will become one of the most important gateways to that future. FF hope to join forces with more education partners, helping more children step into the physical AI era from an earlier age, and working together to cultivate the next generation of innovators and creators. Thank you, everyone.
Regarding FFAI's recent reverse stock split, I would like to take this opportunity to share my own reflections, the company's assessment, and the measures we are putting in place. We previously made a clear commitment that the company would firmly oppose a reverse stock split unless it became absolutely necessary to remain in compliance with Nasdaq's listing requirements. However, because trading at or below 0.10 for 10 consecutive trading days could trigger a delisting risk under Nasdaq rules, we felt it was in the best interest of our shareholders to make this painful decision and proceed with the reverse stock split. Beyond this measure, we believe other underlying factors have also contributed to the situation. First, although many of the historical problems created by the so-called Wall Street bankruptcy conspiracy theorists are gradually being resolved, their lingering effects have not yet been fully eliminated. Second, legacy debt from the automotive business continues to weigh on the company's financial structure and market confidence. Third, the company has had to rely on relatively high-cost, convertible debt financing with greater potential dilution, further increasing the pressure on our capital market performance. To improve our capital market performance, key initiatives include: first, in terms of our operating fundamentals, we will continue advancing the 5 new transformations I previously announced and remain firmly focused on our EAI robotics strategy. We will work to improve operating cash flow and accelerate efforts to translate FF's first-mover advantage as the first U.S. company to deliver both humanoid and bionic robots into a lasting competitive edge, stronger operating results, and long-term value. Second, on the capital side, we are exploring initiatives designed to better reflect the performance and strengths of our strategic robotics business and to fully unlock the capital market value it deserves. Trust can only be rebuilt through one operating result after another. We will execute every step of the business with greater rigor and discipline and earn back everyone's trust little by little through results that are clear, tangible, and able to stand up to scrutiny. Next week, we will provide an update on the Q3 user ecosystem and sales ramp-up sub-campaigns and announce our July robotics sales and shipment figures. Thank you for watching. I'll see you again next week.